Ayun na naman, may surprise. Tapos nagsalita na siya. Guys, so we're here doing a promenade. With your turn. So yeah, she is here again.
Once again, featuring once again.
Kasi hindi kami nagkikita sa flat, so sa layover na lang.
Pero true.
Yeah, so it's Isabel's first time going out here in London. You already know I've been here a couple of times, and you're gonna see the tourist spots again. Because I'm the official tour guide. Charot. Yes. So, I don't know, it is. Grabe naman dito sa open space. So, you just saw that small clip that we went to King's Cross. That was Isabel.
Ah, yeah. That's me.
Yes. And now we're gonna go to, where are we going?
Where are we going?
She doesn't know. We're going to Buckingham Palace.
Ah, Buckingham Palace.
Yes. And to see the king. Ew. Special meeting.
Sorry.
Guys.
Controversial.
Treason.
Controversial.
So we'll meet you there because this is a long walk. Bye.
The? Oh. That way to fly away here. Nag-iiwan talaga sila bulaklak. That's nice. So they throw the dead bodies here.
Issa's dead body.
My dead soul. My dead soul. Soul na nga ni dead.
Double dead.
Double dead.
Luya mo. Pero karang, it's raining man. So yan, tingnan niya, nasisira na po yung payong ko. Ay! Accident na pa. So, we're gonna go to eat. Ayos mo kami dito, kakasakit kami.
Let's go!
Yes. Guys, so I just want to give you a quick update. So, Issy and I went to a barbecue restaurant, Korean barbecue restaurant, and then we went home because it was raining so hard and it was so cold. So now I'm in my room and Issy's in her room. So, that's it. You saw her again. So I was just like basically touring her. So see you again on my next destination. Bye. So, hi guys, good morning. So welcome back to the vlog. I was absent last month. So now I'm here in New York, and while this November vlog is gonna be a bit packed, like there are a lot of things going to happen because you know FIFA and Qatar. So before that, yes, we are here in New York. I think the last time I was here was it May? And we're gonna see Lisette. I made her not go to work on a weekday. So instead she worked on the weekend. And we're gonna do a lot of things today. So we're gonna see her. So excited. So yeah, bye. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi. Look who's here and who's late.
An hour and 15 minutes late.
Hi guys, so we are here at Fly NYON. Yep, so we're gonna go. We're gonna take a tour around New York.
Check it out, like the Niagara Falls. Yes, because
Are you ready?
Yes, I've been ready since 2 hours ago.
2 hours ago, yeah. At least we got an upgrade.
Yeah. So instead of doing it from
Vloggy vlog. Get on a helicopter.
For free,
Mr.
kidding.
Free.
30 minutes. Thank you, Lisette, for not reading emails.
Yeah, I guess that was meant to be. Sure?
I'm ready.
Alright, here we go. We got inside the white van. We got
My name is
What's your name?
Kevin Hart after a black comedian's name. I don't look like it. That's recorded.
Kevin Hart.
Easy to remember.
Alright.
Makes the coffee look good.
Thank you. Kevin Hart is his name. Are you excited? Wow. Gani. We're going on a helicopter. Flying back to New York and back here.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a helicopter back to Doha.
See you guys.
butang og
Basta naghigda sa salong. Limpyo bitaw ni kay sinupin man. Right?
orange.
Muna sila, ano,
Para asa to ano dito na picture dito.
Basig sa end may mali.
hi guys, so we're back here at the hotel. And I'm gonna leave Lisette now. Bye bye.
Bye.
So yes, that was it. It was the New York vlog. Helicopter ride. So that's it. Bye. Yes, we're with the late birthday celebrant.
Hello.
And Isa. And Isa. So we're going to a bar. Wow. Big word. Yes. And we're gonna meet Casey there. Happy birthday, Cha. Belated.
Thank you so much, guys.
This
It's
is
been a
it.
long time. Sarap.
Shut up. You remember her as the South African girl. Joburg. Joburg girl. So we'll see you there at the bar. Shut up.